Yes, Shiraz. The fire brigade in Meyerton also sent me the video, and they asked me if I will catch the snake for them. I said to them, yes. They must immediately phone me when they see the snake. That snake comes actually from Akom Park. It was in Akom Park, so it moved from Akom Park. He eat all the dogs and the cats up there, and then he moved to that side of your side. So if you see the snake and you know about it, then you just give me a call. I will come immediately to come and catch it for you guys because I'm the snake catcher in this area. So if you see it, you can just give me a ring and I will go out and take it away for you guys. All right. Yeah, it's a python from not from South Africa. That snake is a snake from overseas. So somebody bought it and he got it in captivity, and the snake gets too huge, big for him, and then he just get rid of the snake and just open it and let it go. So yes, that snake is actually very dangerous. So if you know and the people know where it is and they can see it, they must keep their eyes on it for me because it's like a big, so you can't lose it. And then you can call me. I will come and help you guys to take it away. Okay, Shiraz, help. Okay, bye.